Here I'm going to show you how to connect the high voltage cable to the generator. First, I clean the rubber part of the cable using the silicone paste supplied by Comet. Each system comes with about 3 tubes. They used to recommend cleaning with an acetone or a solvent. There's a risk of trapping fumes inside the generator or inside the tube. So you want to use the silicone to clean. Just apply it liberally, clean it with a lint-free cloth. We'll go ahead and we've already cleaned it. Small amount on each side, maybe 1 inch. Don't get any on the metal surface, just on the black rubber cone. You want to apply it very evenly. Once it's all on in an even amount, go ahead and take your lint-free cloth and clean the metal contact surfaces just in case you accidentally got a little grease on it. And next, take the cone. There's a flange that will rotate to set the gap. Remove the set screws from each side. Gently insert it into the generator. You want to have a 6mm gap between the flange and the generator mounting surface. A good way to do that is you can take a 6mm Allen wrench, preferably 2, and set your gap. You can rotate the flange, it's threaded. Once you have your gap, I have a little gap gauge that I like to use. Get it close, line up your holes. There's 4 6mm bolts. Tighten them in a rotating pattern, a little bit at a time, so that it goes in evenly. Allow that to sit for 20 minutes, then back the screws out. It should relax back to that 6mm gap. If it's more or less than 6mm, readjust your collar, reinsert, and then take the 2 Allen screws, set screws, place them back in place. And simply snug them up. Don't over tighten.